Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some of the most important terms used in the construction industry, especially useful for those of you learning to become quantity surveyors or estimator. Let's get started. First one is drawings. These are the visual plans of the building, also called blueprints or plans. They show how the construction should look and what should be done. They are usually made by architects or engineers, either by hand or softwares like CAD, Revit, Bluebeam. The second one is specifications. These are the written instructions for the project. They explain how things should be built and what materials to use. They are organized in sections using a system called master format. They also include important project rules like schedule, insurance, and coordination with other workers. The third one is construction documents. This is a group of all the important files used to describe the project, both drawings and specifications. It also includes things like invitation to bid, addendums, and any extra information needed for the project. Then takeoff. Takeoff is a very important word for quantity surveyors or estimators. It means counting or measuring items from the drawings and specs. You do a takeoff to figure out how much material and how much work is needed. After takeoff, we do the extension part. This means converting what we counted into money by multiplying quantities and prices. For example, if we need 100 tiles and each cost $5, the extension is $500. And then recap. Recap is a short for recapitulation. It's the final step in preparing your estimate. You add everything like materials, labors, equipments, and direct job expenses. And then breakdown. Breakdown means separating the total estimate into smaller parts. For example, cost by floor or cost by trade like plumbing or electrical. This helps make the estimate more detailed and organized. And then unit of measure. Unit of measure or UOM means how we count things in estimating. Some items are measured per piece, some per square foot, others by cubic yard. This helps us estimate bulk items correctly. And then labor. Labor means the human work needed to build the project. We usually measure it in time, like how many hours it takes to complete a task. Likewise. And then material. Material is anything physical used to build something. This includes both raw materials like sand or cement and manufacture products like doors or lights. And then equipment. Equipment refers to large tools or machines used in construction. For example, bulldozers, concrete mixers, scissor lifts. These help workers to get the job done faster and safer. And then overhead. Overhead means the company's regular cost, not tied to one project's things like office rent, estimator and manager salaries, utility bills. If no project is happening, these costs still continue. And then profit. Profit is the money left over after paying for everything. It's the builder's reward for completing the job successfully and staying within the budget. Remember, profit is not a bad word, it's necessary for business survival. Thanking you for learning with me and keep practicing. For more videos, watch the playlist.